I know you usually hear this phrase that Nigerians are doing well all over the world, Nigerians are making waves. But when you examine this closely, you will find that Nigerian doing very well, projecting the image of Nigeria very highly, is an Igbo man. I'm not just going to say this, I'm going to allow you to listen to the opinions of others. First of all, listen to this man, what he has to say about Nigerians, specifically about Ndi Igbo.
Most Nigerians work very hard, contrary to what the people talk. Some of them, especially those from the Igbo land, they are hardworking. They are the people. When you find him leading an organization in London, it is well organized. You see that sense of organization. They are very proud people.
Welcome back. I hope you are of the Igbo stock or you are a lover of Ndi Igbo, because if you are an Igbo hater, you may not like this video, so just move on. But if you are a lover of Ndi Igbo or you are an Igbo person, kindly watch on. I want to bring to you the video of our brother Councillor Onuoha, who is in the United Kingdom, who is currently flying the flags of Ndi Igbo. He is not denying his Igbo identity. In fact, he is projecting that identity to the world, telling them proudly that he is from Abia State. He's not just saying I'm an Igbo man and they are guessing where in Igbo land. He is from Abia State and he's stating it obviously for the world to know. What a proud moment to be called an Igbo person. Kindly take your time to watch this beautiful video about our brother, Councillor Onuoha, who is making us proud down there in the United Kingdom.
Councillor Onuoha, over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Mr. Mayor, like some close to you, I suspect, and a few people in this chamber, I am a migrant. I was born in a lovely town called Aba in the southeast of Nigeria, which interestingly resembles in its nature, its love for community, and its respect for one another, Derby. And that was one of the reasons I and my family, when we moved to the UK, chose to make Derby our home. Because we saw in this place those values of compassion and respect. And it's also why one of the reasons I chose to stand as a councillor, because I do believe that as one who has received much kindness from the city and this community, I should also give back. And I can't go much further without paying tribute to the families that welcomed us into Merchant Drive when we first moved here, giving my kids the bike, the road, inviting us into their homes. If there's one place in all of Derby that has a special place in my heart, it would be Merchant Drive. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, Josie. But Mr. Mayor, in recent times, politics has taken something of a turn for the worse. We have seen language that we would not ordinarily, even in closed spaces, feel free amongst our closest friends to explore being used online. I've said to a few colleagues that I've stopped reading anything about me on the Telegraph, because I do know that there will be those racist tropes. But they've become normal, and they should not be. And this is what's at the heart of this motion. Do we crucify community cohesion on the altar of political expedience because we feel that perhaps we'll be able to get a few more votes or a few more likes or a few more accolades, then everyone and everything is fair game? It should not be. And I've always said, and I will continue to maintain, that there are far more decent people in this city, far more decent people even in this council than those who are not. And I know that sometimes we throw words against each other, but I've had the opportunity to also speak to people outside this chamber from different political parties, and I can tell you that there is decency. Perhaps the first time I put a motion forward here, again, politics came to play, and it was shut down, maybe to show that we can, but this is an opportunity to say, let us put that politics aside. Let us say that this is Derby, in a city where those British values of compassion, of decency, especially for those who can't speak for themselves, are rife. A lot of people, when you go online, people say that this country is a Christian country. And if it is, then let us heed the word that are rife in that Bible. Love your neighbors as yourself. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. If we cannot uphold this golden rule, then we have lost any argument. So I would urge everyone to please support this motion, not because it's from a Labour councillor, not because it's from this aisle, but because it is the decent thing to do. To say to those who are coming here to make Derby their home, who are here making Derby their home, who cannot speak for themselves, that in this chamber there are 51 people who will speak for you. Thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Thank you, Councillor Onuoha.
Hey, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed listening to Councillor Onuoha and his presentations at the floor of the Parliament. If you enjoyed watching that video, kindly look through our channel. You will find many other interesting videos to watch. Watch them, engage with them. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button right away and hit the notification bell so that when we put out videos, you will be among the first set of people to watch the video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next videos. Bye.